Hello everyone, this is Asim and welcome to my channel Cyntax Error. In this video, we will be learning about arrays in C programming language. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We'll start with a simple definition. Okay, so an array is a collection of data items, all of the same type, accessed using a common name. Okay, so it's saying that array is a collection of same data type, right? So guys, we will go step by step and a little slow. First we'll see how we can declare an array. Here it is. There are three ways to declare an array in C programming language. First is declaration by specifying size. Here first comes the data type, then the variable name, and then the box brackets inside which we will put the size of the array. We can let the user also define the size of the array by simply just creating a variable asking the user the size of the array, right? Then assigning that user input to a variable and putting that variable under this box brackets. You can see this line, everything is same. Only instead of any number, we have wrote a variable here containing value which user have assigned or has input. Second, we have a declaration by initializing elements. Here we self-initialize the values. Okay, so things to notice here is that there is no size mentioned or variable inside the box brackets. Next, after the box brackets, we are assigning the values of the arrays inside a curly brackets, and each value is separated by a comma. You can see here. Last, we have a declaration by specifying size and initializing elements. Almost same as the previous one, only difference is we initialize size as well as the values. So this is how you all can declare an array in C programming language. Now point to note is array index always starts from 0. See here, this count is 4, right? 10, 20, 30 and 40. So it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Indexing will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? But array will read it as 0, 1, 2 and 3. Please keep this in mind as it is same for most of the programming languages. Array index starts from 0. Now let us write a little code for better understanding. Let me delete this comments. Okay, so here is the declaration of this integer array called number, and inside we have data 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now we want to print this array. There are two ways to do this. First, we can print directly with the index number. So it will be printf, and for this I'll just keep 0. Okay. Now let us run the code. So as we are saying, index of an array starts from 0. So it printed 10. Let us change its value to let us change the index value to 1, and let's see what the output comes. So it printed 20. I hope you all have understood indexing of an array, right? So this was one way to print array, but it's lengthy and you have to write printf statement again and again, right? So to overcome this, we can use a loop to print. Let me show you all. We'll write for int I is less than 4, I plus plus. So inside this, we'll print our array, same thing, and instead of any indexing index number, we'll put I over here. Let us run the code. As you all can see, it printed all the data in this array. To make this program more interesting, let us print value of I as well. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll add one more %d because we are printing two data together, right? And after this brackets, we'll put a comma and I. Now let us run and see. So here 0 index is 10, 1 index is 20 and so on. You all can print it in reverse format as well. Just change the value of I to max length of the array, make changes in the clause and decrement I, right? So in this video we come to know about array, like what is an array? Array is a collection of data, same data type, right? And array index starts from 0. Please do remember this because this will help you a lot in the future. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you all did like this video and it was useful to you. Do give this video a like, share with your friends, and if you have any question, please do comment, or if you all want, you all can comment compliments as well. So I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Happy programming.